Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another sweet lesson in Tinkercad Circuits. Once again, you need to sign into Tinkercad, and we always use our social providers. And once you're in Tinkercad, I want you to click Circuits, and we're gonna get cracking. Step one, of course, is to click Create New Circuit. We're gonna play with the Arduino Uno, so you can bring that out right now. And just click, remember you have to click and wait, it does take a moment. And then I want you to type LED in the box and wait until you see the Neopixel Jewel. We need to find a piece of code. I'm going to ask you to click the link in the description, and it will take you to this website that I'm pasting in right now. This cool code teaches us how to run our cool little Neopixel Jewel. Simply select all of it. Make sure you get all the way from the top line to the bottom line and do copy. Return to our cool project, click the word code, and we need to switch to just text. Tell it continue, select the old code, delete it, right click and paste, and then let's change the name of our file to Neopixel Jewel with our initials. With it in place, it's time to connect it. We can always figure out the connections from the information in the project. I'm going to stretch this over so I can read a little bit more information. I'm going to just move my pixel up above so I can see it better. And let's start by connecting ground. And then I also like to make those wires so I can see which one is which. So black is connected to ground. And we're going to do 5 volt to power. When you come over to the power, I like to make those red. If you want to be real fancy, you could, and I'm going to just delete this quick and show you, you could take that red 5 volt and click down below, over, up, and then come straight across by just clicking each time to even make it show up a little bit more nifty. Notice in our design it says that pin 6 is where we're sending the information, so if you connect the in to pin 6, and I'm going to leave that green, and hit play, you will get to see the awesome code happen. Alright friends, I'm not going to run that on the screen. I want that to be your job to see the cool things happen. Then I want you to explore, see if you can get a different one work, study the different amount of codes you can change, see if you can make it do your own colors instead of the colors that are built into the code. But explore and see what you can make happen. See if you can make more than one of them show them up. Maybe see if you can make them attached to a switch. But have fun and just push the limits to see what kind of things you can make light up with your Tinkercad circuits. Friends, if you found this useful, please hit that like button. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below or even at HLModTech.com. And if you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know this brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.